Welcome to Cryfonex. The crypto market just took a wild turn. Bitcoin ETFs saw record-breaking outflows, a controversial Trump-linked stablecoin launched under the radar, and Tether is surging, thanks to a viral meme and millions of new users. Add to that an international fraud ring and Ripple's billion-dollar Wall Street move, and you've got a week that could reshape everything. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only be up to date, but ahead of the curve. Investor confidence in Bitcoin ETFs took a serious hit last week, with over $713 million in outflows, a 300% increase from the week before. The catalyst? Rising US-China trade tensions fueled by President Trump's aggressive tariff policies. The biggest single-day drop came on Tuesday at $326 million, with BlackRock's IBIT and Grayscale's GBTC taking the largest hits. Even Ethereum ETFs weren't spared, clocking in $82 million in outflows, marking 7 consecutive weeks of redemptions. Despite the panic, Bitcoin bounced back, climbing from $74,773 to nearly $84,500 by April 14th. Some analysts are even predicting the start of a new uptrend phase. World Liberty Financial Inc. just soft-launched a new stablecoin, USD1, without any formal announcement. But the market noticed. In just 24 hours, trading volume surged over 6,700% to $140 million. The coin is live on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, backed by US Treasuries and custodied by BitGo. Critics say it's Trump's backdoor attempt to replace the US dollar in government transactions. During a congressional hearing, Rep. Maxine Waters warned that Trump could push USD1 for Social Security, tax payments, even HUD payouts. Analysts suggest the real motive is creating a new distribution channel for US debt on a global scale. In a case highlighting the darker side of crypto, a Chinese court sentenced 9 individuals for running a telecom fraud scheme that stole over $620 million from 66,800 Indian victims. They lured users with promises of high returns on fake platforms and then laundered the money using USDT through shady third-party services. The scammers used false identities, created fake websites, and even impersonated Indian billionaires. Prison sentences ranged from 5 to 15 years. This case reinforces calls for tighter regulation on stablecoin usage and cross-border fraud prevention. Tether CEO Paulo Arduino took a lighthearted approach to serious numbers. In Q1 2025, USDT user numbers grew 13%, and he marked the occasion with a viral Simpsons meme. Now boasting over 400 million users, Tether remains the largest stablecoin with a $144 billion market cap, far ahead of USDC's $60 billion. One major growth driver? Global economic instability, particularly Trump's tariff spree. Wealthy Indonesians have turned to USDT as a financial safe haven, with some investing 10% of their net worth into crypto. In a blockbuster move, Ripple has acquired Hidden Road, a prime brokerage firm, for $125 billion. The deal is part cash, part XRP tokens, and part Ripple stock, and is expected to close by Q3. Hidden Road, which processed $3 trillion in 2024, will now help Ripple bring blockchain to traditional finance, especially for settlement speed. Crypto analyst Nick Puckran says this could significantly boost XRP adoption and marks the next phase of crypto's mainstream integration. Bitcoin bleeding, stablecoins booming, and Ripple bridging the gap to Wall Street. What do you think is the most underrated crypto trend right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video useful, give us a like and subscribe to Cryfonex. We'll keep you ahead of the curve in this fast-moving space. See you in the next one.